Ever dreamt of being your own boss without breaking the bank? Today, we'll uncover 10 business ideas that you can kickstart right now, no capital required. Ready to turn your dreams into reality? Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs, and welcome back to our Vault of Epic Facts channel. If you've ever wondered about starting a business but hesitated due to financial constraints, you're in the right place. Today, we're unveiling a treasure trove of ideas to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey with zero investment. Let's dive into the exciting world of businesses you can launch today without spending a dime. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable tips and insights. Let's dive in. Number 1. Freelance writing services. Freelance writing services open doors to a flexible and rewarding career. Begin by showcasing your writing prowess on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Craft a compelling profile, highlighting your skills and expertise. Browse through available gigs ranging from blog posts to social media content. Once a project is secured, deliver high-quality work within the agreed-upon timeframe. Build a portfolio of satisfied clients for future referrals. As you gain experience, consider setting up a personal website to attract clients independently. Revenue flows in through per-project fees or hourly rates. The key lies in consistently delivering exceptional content, fostering client relationships, and expanding your freelance writing empire. Number 2. Social media management. Kickstart by showcasing your expertise on platforms like LinkedIn and Upwork. Craft a compelling portfolio emphasizing your ability to boost online presence and engagement. Acquire your first clients by offering competitive rates for managing their social media accounts. Create captivating content, schedule posts, and interact with the audience to cultivate a strong online presence. As your client base expands, consider offering additional services, such as social media strategy consultations, revenue streams, and through monthly management fees, project-based contracts, and potential upsells. Nurture client relationships and continuously adapt to evolving social media trends for sustained success in this thriving industry. Number 3. Online tutoring. Start by identifying your expertise and target audience. Create profiles on tutoring platforms like Chegg or Wizen. Set competitive rates and craft engaging course materials. Once connected with students, schedule sessions via video conferencing. Provide personalized guidance, track progress, and seek positive reviews. Revenue is generated through hourly tutoring fees. This flexible and rewarding venture allows you to share knowledge and make a lasting impact. Number 4. Graphic design services. Launch your graphic design services effortlessly. Begin by showcasing your portfolio on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Detail your skills, rates, and turnaround times. As clients place orders, create stunning designs aligned with their vision. Network and seek positive reviews for credibility. Income varies, but proficient designers can earn $20 to $100 per hour. Consistency and quality are key to building a thriving graphic design business in this dynamic digital marketplace. Number 5. Virtual assistants. Establish your skills and services, then create profiles on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. Pitch your services to businesses seeking virtual support. Manage tasks such as email correspondence, scheduling, and customer service remotely. As you gain experience, consider setting competitive hourly rates. Revenue is generated through per-task fees or hourly rates, making virtual assistants a flexible and lucrative venture. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Begin by selecting a niche of interest. Join reputable affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Promote products through your blog, social media, or email lists using unique affiliate links. Earn commissions for each sale or click-through. With dedication, affiliate marketers can earn anywhere from a few hundred to thousands of dollars monthly. The key lies in strategic promotion, quality content, and building a trusting audience to maximize your affiliate marketing revenue. Number 7. Digital products. Dive into the digital marketplace by creating and selling digital products like ebooks and printables. Identify your niche, create valuable content, and design eye-catching products. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing enable you to showcase and sell your digital creations. Set competitive prices and implement marketing strategies to increase visibility. Revenue is generated through direct sales with potential for passive income as your digital products gain popularity. This low-cost, high-creative endeavor allows you to monetize your skills and expertise in the vast digital landscape. Number 8. Drop shipping. Explore the world of entrepreneurship with drop shipping. Start by choosing a niche and setting up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Source products from suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Market your products through social media and other online channels. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier fulfills and ships the product directly. Profit is made through the margin between the product cost and the retail price. This low-risk business model requires minimal upfront investment, making drop shipping an accessible and scalable e-commerce venture. Number 9. pet sitting or dog walking services. Fulfilling journey with pet sitting and dog walking services. Begin by creating a profile on platforms like Rover or Wag. Highlight your experience, availability, and services offered. Connect with pet owners seeking reliable care for their furry friends. Set competitive rates and provide exceptional service to build a positive reputation. Generate revenue through per-session fees. This flexible and rewarding business not only benefits pets but also offers a great way to earn income while enjoying the company of animals. Number 10. Handmade crafts. Sell on Etsy or local markets. Craft unique items such as jewelry, home decor, or personalized gifts. Open a shop on platforms like Etsy or participate in local markets. Showcase your creations through compelling product listings and eye-catching visuals. Set reasonable prices considering material costs and time invested. Revenue is generated through direct sales with potential for repeat customers. This fulfilling venture not only allows you to monetize your craft but also connects you with a community of art enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us on this entrepreneurial journey. If you found value in these business ideas, don't forget to hit the like button, share with others looking to start their own ventures, and subscribe to our channel Vault of Epic Facts for more valuable insights. Your support means the world to us, and together, let's build a community of thriving entrepreneurs. Until next time, happy business building.